Hey everyone, welcome to Belleonaires Business Basics. Belleonaires is a brand created for women focused on building wealth and living a lavish lifestyle. These videos are quick, under 10-minute videos so you can get the information you need and go take action. First thing first, should I form my business as an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp? And let's be clear, you don't have to do any of these things to run a business. You can be a sole proprietor. But if you have plans on generating a good amount of money, most smart people do formation early. It allows protections of our personal assets and unlocks a good amount of tax benefits. So let's get started with the most basic and common of the three. The limited liability company. She's better known as LLC. The reason why it's the most common is because it lets you hit the ground running. Offers a ton of flexibility on how you want to run your business so you're not stuck based on how you form your business from the beginning. If you want to start a business with a large group, go ahead. There is no limit on how many people can be members of this business. Everyone's welcome. You won't get caught up in the company liabilities personally, so there is a layer of protection against legal problems you might come across while running your business. So nobody's going to come for you because you got your LLC blocking. And you get to choose how you want to be taxed, which is super important because you want to keep on the good side of Uncle Sam at all times. The simplest way is if you are the only person in your LLC. You can actually place the LLC money earned or money spent on your personal tax returns. It's in a certain section, but it's there. If you want to know more about tax options for your LLC, let me know. I'm not an accountant or a lawyer, but can break it down for you. Just put it in the comments. But let's keep it moving for now. Some drawbacks of forming as an LLC. Some states require annual filing, so there's a lot of paperwork and it just never stops. And because you could put your earnings on your personal tax returns, doesn't mean that it's going to be lower taxes for your business. And yeah, the idea of starting a business with a large group of people might seem cool, but somebody's going to start acting weird and then you want to remove them as a member. That'll be a task and a lot of paperwork, and sometimes reformation of your LLC. And another thing about the LLC, say goodbye to investors. As an LLC, you can't issue shares, so there'll be no ringing of the bell on the stock exchange or going public. While you can have many members of your LLC, which may mean more money at the ready, it also means your profits can get watered down. Let's talk about the S Corps. It's basically an LLC telling the government how they want to be taxed. So you file as an LLC and then complete another form that is telling the government that you choose to be taxed as an S Corporation. IRS Form 2553. S Corp allows for taxes to be applied to the owner's salary or compensation for that year, and the rest of the money earned in the business is not taxed and considered a dividend payout. Just basically another way of saying we won't tax on the profits earned because we tax the owner's salary. Now, salary does have to be reasonable and align with industry standards. You cannot pay yourself $25 and expect Uncle Sam not to side-eye payroll. An S Corp has to submit payroll taxes every quarter, and filing as an S Corp can be a bit laborious, but that's really the only con. Now on to the C Corps. C Corps plan to be big and do big things. Now let's be clear. You can start off as an LLC, S Corp, and then go to C Corp. It's not an all or nothing game here. But those who are forming their business as a C Corp typically means the amount of members or owners they had got to be too many. Remember, the limit is 100 if you have an S Corp. And many people form their C Corp from the beginning. Great thing about the C Corp is that there's still the limited liability structure in place, so you are still protected. You can have as many members, shareholders, or investors in your company. The downside to being a C Corp is that you will get taxed as a corporation and still get taxed on your own salary. Unlike the S Corp, when you only get taxed on the salary. And it can be pricey to set up your C Corp, so get a lawyer's help. But if you are looking to be a C Corp, most things like that are already in place because you have either already outgrown being an LLC or S Corp. Or your ideal product or whatever it is has mass appeal, so you definitely already have legal help. C Corps are heavily regulated. You have to have a certain amount of meetings, record keepings, guidelines, and a ton of other things, especially if you're becoming publicly traded. And those are the three ways you could form your business. Personally, I'm going for a C Corp. I want to go big. What do you want? Tell me below, and if you like the video, please subscribe. Our next Belleonaires Business Basics video will be on how to trademark your product, logo, or idea. If you want a video about a particular topic, let me know. Oh, and FYI, get excited, the Belleonaires are coming.